Hey Lancers, today's topic is cyberbullying. So what is cyberbullying? It is any type of harassing, threatening, or demeaning language that is intended to harm or embarrass another via online. So using your phones, your computers, your Chromebooks to use social media such as Snapchat, TikTok to share hurtful information. 22% is usually mean comments. 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they reach age 18. 35% of it is shared screenshots or photos that people share to make fun of. 61% are about appearances, and 4% of victims usually know their perpetrators. So let's talk about the cyberbullying types. We have exclusion, being excluded from any conversation on social media. Harassment, being intentionally bullied over and over again with abusive and threatening words. Outing, being publicly humiliated by posting private information without giving your consent. Cyberstalking is when adults are trying to contact younger people for the intent of abusing. Fraping is when someone logs in onto your social media account and impersonates you, posting hurtful and harmful content. Fake profiling is when someone creates a fake profile with the intention to hurt you. Dissing is sharing or posting cruel information via pictures, photos, you name it. Trickery is gaining your trust to get intel so those people can send it to others to be hurtful. Trolling is using social media to try to make you feel angry enough to provoke you to do something. And then catfishing is when someone steals another profile and creates a new one to gain your trust to hurt you. So some issues that are arising with cyberbullying is becoming drug or alcohol abused, eating disorder, skipping classes, stopping using social media altogether, engaging in self-harm, having suicidal thoughts or even attempting, developing depression, and social anxiety. So what can you do? Collect evidence. Tell them to stop. Talk to a trusted adult. Report to the site, app, or game. 79% of teens say blocking that account stopped it. Report it to the school. Work together to resolve the issue. But do not encourage cyberbullying. So here's our policy at CREST. The Board of Education prohibits bullying from any form of any student, staff member, or parent towards a staff or student while using school property, in a school vehicle, or at a school-sponsored activity or event. For the purposes of this policy, the term bullying shall have the meaning ascribed to it in Kansas law. The administration shall propose and the board shall review and approve the plan to address bullying as prohibited herein. This plan should include provisions for the training and education of staff members and students and shall include appropriate community involvement as approved by the board. So otherwise, guys, if you are involved in bullying, the school will take measures to set up consequences and possibility of any suspensions or expulsions. So let's just be a Lancer. Have leadership. Be acceptance. Never giving up. Be compassionate, empathetic, and respectful. Here are some great resources, guys, and let's stand up to cyberbullying.